If you want to freeze or pause part of a video in CapCut, this tutorial is going to make it super easy. Whether you're editing a short clip for social media, a YouTube video, or just trying to highlight one specific moment, freezing a section of your video can make your edit look more polished and professional. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step inside CapCut, and I'll also share a few quick tips so you can get a cleaner result. If this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and load the video you want to edit. Make sure you're inside the main editing workspace so you can see both the preview window and the timeline at the bottom. This is important because the freeze action is done right from the preview and the playhead position on the timeline. Once your project is open, look at the preview window and find the pause icon. In CapCut, this pause control lets you stop playback at the exact frame you want to work with. Click the pause icon to stop the video where you want to create that frozen moment. Now comes the most important part. Move the timeline header, also known as the playhead, to the exact position in the video that you want to pause. You want to be precise here, because the frame you choose will be the frame that appears frozen in your edit. If you need to, use small movements on the timeline so you can land on the exact moment. This is especially helpful if you're trying to freeze a facial expression, a reaction shot, or a key action in the clip. Once the playhead is in the right place, you can continue with the next editing step based on the style you want. If your goal is to hold that frame visually, make sure the video is stopped exactly where you want the freeze effect to begin. From there, you can use CapCut's editing tools to build out the effect in your project. A good tip is to preview the clip a few times before finalizing it, so you can confirm the pause happens on the right frame. If it's even a little off, adjust the timeline header again until it looks perfect. That small extra step can make a big difference in how clean your final video looks. Once you're happy with the position, save your changes and preview the edit from the beginning. Watch it back at normal speed to make sure the pause or freeze moment feels natural and lines up with the part of the video you wanted to highlight. And that's it. That's how to freeze or pause part of a video in CapCut. It's a quick technique, but it can make your content much more engaging and visually interesting. If this video helped you, please remember to like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, beginner tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.